How to cancel order and get a refund in Best Buy. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Best Buy customer service and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Contact Best Buy. Open it. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now, over here, you're gonna find different topics. Go ahead and click on the topic orders and purchases. Now scroll down. You'll find this option of return and exchanges. Click on the option of learn more. Here you're gonna get two options, return it to a store and ship it back to us. The first option is to return your item to a Best Buy store. If you order something online and need to return it because it wasn't what you wanted or it arrived damaged, you can easily do this at any Best Buy location. Here's how. Make sure you have the product, the receipt, and any other necessary documentation. Pack the item properly to avoid any damage during transportation. Take the packed item to the nearest Best Buy store. Show them the receipt and provide the purchase deed. Then they will process your request and give you your money back. The second option is to ship the item back to Best Buy. This might be a bit more time consuming and potentially expensive if you choose to pay for shipping yourself. However, Best Buy provides a prepaid UPS shipping label which makes it free to return the item. Here's what you need to do. Pack the item securely, attach the prepaid UPS shipping label to the package, drop it off at any UPS location. Keep in mind that the process might take a bit longer compared to returning it to store. So there you have it. You can either return your item to a Best Buy store for a pickup, refund, or ship it back using a prepaid UPS shipping label. Choose the option that suits you best. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.